Okay, so I'm at the ETC homepage, etc.utep.edu. I'm going to be showing you how to access my desktop, which is going to have all of the files that we need for this course, including NX7. So what I'm basically doing is I'm following the step-by-step directions given when you click this link in the top left corner, My Desktop. I've printed them out. I have them beside me, so I'll be following them. And I've logged on to My Desktop before, so if I skip a step or two, don't be scared. Just keep following the directions that are given to you on your on this link there. So now I'm going to go to back to the home page, and here in the link section, I'll click on My Desktop. It gives me a prompt. I'll click Proceed. And I think for many people, it will give a prompt to install Citrix, which is a computer interface that allows us to use this program. So when you're given that prompt to install Citrix, go ahead and install it. I've already installed it on my computer, so it's not prompting me, but go ahead and install it and click Run. And once the installation is done successfully, it will prompt you, and you can go ahead and log in with your username and password. So this is just the same username and password that you would use to log on to your email address. In my case, my email is ndlove@utep.edu, so I'm just using ndlove and then my password. Okay. So once you log on, it gives you two options, or it gives me three options to use either Engineering Classroom or the Student Desktop. I'm going to go ahead and select Engineering Classroom. And it's prompting me. I'm using Google Chrome in Windows XP 32-bit edition. So based on the type of computer you have, if you have a Mac, or if you're using Windows Vista or Windows 7, you may have a few different steps than I'm following exactly, but in general it's still going to be the same procedure. So in Google Chrome here, I'm going to go ahead and launch the program. Okay, so my desktop is starting up. And it gives you a kind of a remote desktop view of whatever you're looking at. So a couple things that you want to make sure. So I'm going to go ahead and click full screen mode. So the full screen. It will prompt you to select no access, read only. What you want to select is read and write access. So you can go ahead and access files that are available on my desktop, and you can also create files. So go ahead and select read write. A couple things you may want to check just to make sure you followed everything correctly is go ahead and look at full screen. Is you may want to check your preferences. So your preferences. You want to make sure the scale to fit, so you can fit the desktop viewer window for the best video quality. USB selection, in case you plug in something, you want it to recognize that you plugged in the device. So go ahead and select Connect to USB. to the device, and this other option here. And also check on your HDX, so make sure that it says read environment. So now you're logged onto my desktop and you're ready to use all the programs that are offered through this, and we can start using NX. So the next computer tutorial that I'm going to be giving will be over Chapter 3, which is Fundamental Curves, and we'll start looking at NX6.